Hello everyone with a new video. In this video, I will explain you subject and object pronouns. We will use all these informations in the next courses. Please, I'm giving you the task. Memorize them. And in the future, you will use them. Okay. I, ben, you, sen, he, she, it. O. In Turkish, very easy. He, she, it. But in Turkish, just O. But please be careful to pronunciation. Not O. O. That's it. We, biz, you, siz, they, onlar. Now, immediately let's pass to object pronouns. Me, beni, you, seni, him, her, it, onu, us, bizi, you, sizi, them, onları. You see, just we add one letter after subject pronouns and they became object pronouns. That much simple. Please don't forget to put like, subscribe our channel and turn on your notifications for our next new videos. So see you.